this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add an interesting bio for a Facebook business page. This is just gonna be a quick video tutorial. Alright, all you have to do is open your Facebook business page. Of course, you have to be an admin to be able to see this. You can see in your home page, this is the intro. You just need to click this add bio and write a captivating bio that you want to promote your Facebook business page and help you gain new followers and likes. For example, let's try this. As you can see, there's a characters limit, so make sure to not make a long bio, just make it short, interesting, and captivating. But once you are in the character limit, just click on save. And now someone visits our Facebook page, they're going more likely to understand what our page is all about. So let's try by clicking these three dots and view ad. As you can see, when people visit your Facebook business page, they will see your intro and your captivating bio. And that's it. I hope you learned something in this video. Also, if you want to learn more about setting up, managing, growing a Facebook page, and how-to tutorials about digital marketing, make sure to check out our YouTube channel that you can see on the screen here. So that's all. See you next time.